Hi, I thought I would do a quick flip through and show you what I did last week and how I plan on using it this week. My front door is open over there. The ticking that you hear is from the Disneyland Haunted Mansion clock. And first one up, this is my Michaels Zip planner, so you can see it like that. I started using it last week. This is my Hobonichi Weeks. Today is World Rhino Day, so I decided to go back into my A6 Rhino cover. Love this one. This is my first original cover. This one is, what do I have in there? My A6 weekly supplement. And then this is my cousin. So let's start off with my cousin. Okay, so this is how thick it is right now. And if you're new to my channel or my videos, I used cartoons. Not cartoons, they're a cartoon page a day that I taped onto a page every day. And that kind of helped bulk up the pages to my weekly layout. This is what I'm doing for this week. I decided to go back to doing it simple, not using any page tabs. I did use washi on the bottom, and then packages I put over here on the side. So I did put my little mail sticker there, and then a sticker to indicate the weekend. Again, broke down the hours in the day, and then I write down whatever chore or event that I'm doing. So today's Tuesday, and so this is what it looks like. So hopefully by the end of this week, or maybe the start of next week, you'll see what this looks like, because I do plan on continuing it. This is from last week, and again, this one I was not shy with the stickers or the page tab. And then we had an earthquake last Friday, so that was really interesting. And then this is the week before. And then to show you my daily page, let's go. So the Hobonichi paper, if you decide to buy that book, here's another one that I used, and I put tape on the side, so you can flip it open like this, like that. And this way, because I had extra photos that I wanted to add onto the page, but there wasn't enough room on the page, this is what you can do to add extra photos on a specific day and not have to throw anything out. So I just need to go back and write in the different like messages to go with the corresponding photo. My sister gave me a small piece of ginger, so it's actually growing little roots. And then, like I said, we had an earthquake last Friday and my phone went off, so I thought I'd do a screenshot and then put it in here. Here is another tape in of extra photos, and this is one with the dog Hobonichi paper. And then one thing I started to do again was Merriam-Webster online has an email that you can sign up for where they give you a word of the day, and I thought it was fun to do that again, learn a new word. And so I decided to write that up on top with my fountain pen. So there's pictures that I need to print out to put down here on the bottom. And that's where we are. So this is my cousin. Put him there. This is once again, my A6 leather Hobonichi cover that I am using to house my A6 plain notebook. This is the weekly supplement, and then this is the address book. Let's go to this guy. This guy, as you may remember, I am not shy with the stickers, the washi, and it is a quick overview of a given week. So for me, this is this week's. packages on the side. Oh, I placed my Hobonichi order yesterday, and this is for last week and the week before. So I do like this. I don't carry this around with me because I'm basically home all the time. But I think this is really handy to have if at a glance you want to see what you did, or if you have plans, future plans, you can go ahead and put it in here and carry it with you because it is light enough and small enough to carry with you in your purse. So that is my A6 weekly supplement. In here is my Hobonichi Weeks, the regular. And if you recall, I was using this as a fitness exercise tracker. And as you can see, I was not doing a great job of keeping up. So I decided to try it and use it as a daily planner. So this is this week's. Mail on top, bills would be here. I haven't paid anything yet this week. Not shy with the stickers or washing this one. This is for last week's. And the week before. And this one I've been almost keeping up with. So this is what I'm doing for this week. And to contrast, I guess, that with my Michaels zipped planner. This one in here, I am keeping track of my weight, exercise, though I'm not exercising, and meals. So this is what a blank page would look like, and you fill in the date. And in my case, I broke down breakfast, lunch, and dinner, my weight, and then if I did exercise, I would write there on the bottom. And this is for this week's. I am keeping track. My trackers are up here on top. Takeouts over here on the side again. And today is Tuesday, so down here, I had breakfast, so I need to mark down that I had breakfast. But that's what this week is going to look like. This is last week and the week before. And I'm glad to say I am keeping up with this one. I have been filling it in every day. So I am picking up. I just bought one Hobonichi Weeks for 2021. And then I plan to use this into 2021, keeping track of my exercise, weight, and fitness stuff. Lastly, this is my A6 Hobonichi Techo. This is my diary, and I just want to show you the monthly layout and how that's coming along. So this is for this week's, or not this week, this month. Washi on the bottom just to make it, just to decorate it so it looks nice. And if you remember, this is last month and the month before. So this is a quick look of what this week is going to look like and what I did last week. Bye.